This is how to make the medical mask, the folding style of mask. It has different pockets in here that sort of expand and open up, along with a tie strap, ribbon tie strap, just like this. You can use whatever fabrics you like, but softer fabrics are more comfortable for the face. You can see it's made out of 2 pieces of fabric here. To make the folding one, all you have to do is cut out a square. Relatively, it looks like 12 or about 9 inches.
9.5 inches.
9.5 inches.
10.5 inches.
By 10.5 inches. So you make a square for that. And you fold them over. Okay, doing about 1-inch folds with a staggering, there's a staggering fold on it. You can see this has a staggering fold. That's what she's doing. She's staggering it. And of course you need a second piece of fabric for the inside. So she'll lay that out. Probably go ahead and trace it off of the first fabric.
Okay. Now you put these in the inside, these in the outside.
Put that on the inside of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So now what you want to do is you want to flip your fabric around and work from the inside of the fabric. So you can see that's the inside of the pattern. And then once it's sewn together, then she's going to
flip it over?
Yeah, flip it over, turn it inside out on itself. All right, so to hide the seams. Okay, when you come to the sewing machine, you'll first turn it on here with the power switch. As long as it's threaded, you can just start sewing. Stop it again. Do a back stitch. Bring the piece down.
Now flip it over.
These are the long sides, sewing the long sides, and then turn it inside out. Press down at the folds.
If you have the iron, please iron it.
Yes, you can use the iron to iron it out flat, make it flat. It's much easier to fold and work with.
Alright, and now we'll fold it.
Fold it every 1 inch.
And then you pin.
And pin to hold it in 2 places. Fold it down again, leaving about a 1/2 inch exposed, and pin it again. Once it's folded over, take it back to the sewing machine and sew the sides. Now the main part of the mask is formed, and you can see how it opens up and will form around the shape of the face beautifully. Then you want to measure out a 1-inch width ribbon,
23 inches long.
about 23 inches long. And 2 of them, one for each side of the mask. Center the ribbon, or center the mask on the ribbon. Lay 1/2 and fold it over on itself, on the edge.
Now I will hit on the machine. If you cannot do it professional like me, you can pin it.
They can iron it too, maybe? Could you iron it and fold it?
No,
No, just do it by hand, hold it over and pin it. Beautiful. Stitch straight through all the mask fabric as well as the ribbon fabric.
I will show you how to cover it. Make it professional. And then you cut.
After she was finished sewing, she left out excess thread, and then she took a needle, threaded the needle, and sent the thread back through the center of the mask to hide it, to hide the ends of the thread.
We do the same thing on the other
Yep,
side.
I'll repeat the same thing for the other side.
I think somebody coming.
Yep. And there we have it. Medical style mask.